Happy Easter, everybody. I realized this last week I was trying to get these heads together, and I was like, man, I haven't even done a video on what I found. So I stopped on my last valve just so I could put this mock-up head together and show you the things I had to do to get these cams to work. This is the head that putting together, and you can see how much of this I had to open up to get these cams to clear everything. The head, for the most part, I didn't have to open it up, but I did in a couple spots just to make sure that everything was good. So I didn't want to, I'd rather play it safe. But valve springs were changed, valve locks, the keepers changed. I had to cut valve reliefs in the pistons, so there was interference there. And well, I lost these. I was going to show you how much difference between the valve locks and actually, let me go ahead and fix this, and we'll continue.